Welcome to daily tutorials. This video is gonna be all about the input type file. So let's get started. First, we're gonna start with the form. I'm gonna have a label. Here we're gonna put upload profile picture. So now we're gonna put our input tag, and here we're gonna put file. Now let's check the browser. Now let's put choose file on the next line. So gonna use the br tag to have our choose file. Now let's click on it, and here are our files. Now let's click on any one of them. So here we have our picture. Now we're gonna add an attribute to input type file. We're gonna add the accept attribute, which is gonna be responsible for which files are allowed to be uploaded. And here there are many ways to allow certain types. Let's start with the first one. Let's start with image flash, and here we can add like PNG if we want. Now we can add more than one, and we're gonna separate them with comma. We're gonna put audio, for example, slash again. We're gonna put mp3 and comma again, and here we can add also videos flash, and we can say like mp4. So this is the types that's allowed to be uploaded. Now there is another way to do this, so let's get rid of this. You can also use the format, so you can put a period, PNG, always add a comma between them. So you can also put period JPEG. You can also add a PDF, so always comma, then period and PDF. Now let's say you want an image, but you will accept any format. So what you do is put an image, flash, and star. You can do the same for audio or video, so you can do audio, flash, star. Now let's try this by just accepting PNG file. So image slash PNG. Now let's try this. Let's go to the browser, choose a file, and here I used to have another JPEG file inside this folder, but it's gone. Now this is a PNG file, and click on it. Now let's go back to the VS Code. We're gonna add another important attribute. We're gonna add a multiple attribute, and we're gonna take off this part, and let's check the browser. Here you can see that we're seeing every type of files. Now let's check if we can put two files here. Here we have two files, and as you see here we can see two files. Thank you for watching. Don't forget to subscribe, and see you next time.